Okay, so how to insert page number in a Word file? So first, you have to open your Word file. Then, from Insert tab, click on Page Number. Then choose the location as well as the style of the page number. Here, I will choose Top of Page because I want the page number to be shown at the top of the page. Then, Plain number 3 because I want the page number to be shown at the top right of the page. Okay. Here you can see that the page numbers are automatically written at the top of the page, or at each page number are written at the top of each page. Okay. If you don't want to see the page number of the first page, then check on the different first page. Okay, so check on the different first page, meaning to say you are telling the computer that the first page or the header of the first page must be different from the rest of the file. Okay, so there you go. The page number of page 1, this is page 1, is automatically deleted, or not deleted, it's not shown. Okay, but on page number 2, it's there, as well as page number 3. So that is about inserting page number in a Word file. Okay, so suppose you have this document. You have chapter 1 and chapter 2. And then you want that the title of the chapter must be always at the top of the page, not in this format. Okay, usually, or some of the people just say if the chapter 2 is here, then they just press enter, enter, and then there. So they stop. Okay. However, we using this method, if you insert a line, okay, so if for example you inserted a line here, paragraph, or maybe a line, one line, what happened is the chapter title also moves downward. Okay, so of course you don't want to do that. Or how to prevent this from happening. Okay, so instead of pressing the enter key multiple times, you insert the page break. Okay, so page break. Okay, so since this line, okay, so you select the line that you want to be on top of the page. Okay, so put the cursor or place the cursor on the left of the word, and then click on layout and break or breaks, then page break, then page, not the section break. Okay, we will discuss later what is section break. Okay, so breaks, then page break, then page, meaning to say you are telling the computer that that line should be on the first line of the page. Okay, so click on that, and then there you go. So even you insert a paragraph here, okay, or lines, then the line or the first line of the chapter still will remain on the top of the page. Okay, so that's about inserting the page break. Okay, so suppose your document has two parts, wherein the first part is composed of the preliminary pages, such as title page, acknowledgement, abstract, etc., while the second part is the main content of the document, and that the format of the page number for the first part is in III, etc., while the second part is written in Hindu-Arabic. Okay, so how to do this in Word file, or how to do this in MS Word? Okay, so the answer is you have to perform section break. Okay, so before I will proceed, let me discuss first the difference between page break and section break. So a page break or page breaks divide only the body text of the document. Okay, so if you Remember, if you have this text and then you want to move that into the next page or the move to a certain place, then you have to perform a page break. Then a section break or section breaks rather divide both the body text of the document and divides the page margins, headers and footers, page numbers and the like. Okay, so just as in the previous document, okay, wherein the preliminary pages are numbered as I, double I, triple I, and that the main content is numbered as 1, 2, 3, or in Hindu-Arabic format. Okay, so in the sense that okay, the page number is being divided. Okay, so let me show you the sample document to perform the section break. Okay, this is the main content or should be the part 2 of the document. Okay, so before performing the section break, let me add first the preliminary pages, cover page, and then the acknowledgement, and then abstract. Okay, so these three lines, okay, or the title, these three titles should be in numbered or should be numbered as I, double I, triple I, while the chapter down or the text from the chapter down below should be numbered in Hindu-Arabic. Okay, so to perform section break, you have to place the cursor just before the first line. Okay, just before the word chapter 1, for example. Okay, and then from the layout tab, click on breaks and section breaks next page. Okay, so there you go. So the word chapter 1 and all the text is being transferred to the, not necessarily to be next page, but it is to the next page with different sections. Okay, so to check that whether there is really a section break that is being performed, you have to click on view and then draft. And then there you can see that there is really a section break between chapter 1 and the word abstract. Meaning to say, this is the first part of the document and the rest is the second part of the document. Okay. So you may continue working here so that you can view whether there is section break or page break if you are convenient with doing that one. But I'd rather to work on the print layout. So let me go back to the print layout. Okay. Okay, so for the cover page, okay, so maybe this is you might say submitted by your name. Okay, so this is the cover page. Okay, so I will just write some text here. Okay, this is the cover page. Okay, and the next would be the the acknowledgement, and it should be in the next page. Okay, but take note, cover page, head acknowledgement, abstract should be a part of the heading 1. Okay, I will not include the cover page because it will be deleted. The cover page title or the word cover page will be deleted in the actual paper because it will be replaced with the title of the document. Okay, so for the acknowledgement, that would be heading number 1. Okay, so observe what happened here. And then for abstract, this is also heading number 1. Okay, and then I will click on the layout break, page break. Why page break? Because I only want to move the text, not the page margin or not the page number. In other words, these three must be in the same format. Okay, so that is what I mean. Okay, so I will add page break, not page or section break. Okay, And then here I might say, take note, by the way, take note that there is a black triangle here. This refers to that this line is denoted as heading number 1. Okay? So here, if you notice, it's number 3 and it's black. I mean blank. Okay? So to go back that into a paragraph format or not a heading style, you have to click on the normal. So there you go. So you have only, this is the for the cover page. I don't know where is this. Okay, there should be that one. So you have the acknowledgement, abstract, and then the abstract should be in the next page also, not section break, but next page. Okay, so there you go. I have abstract, acknowledgement, and abstract. Okay, so you might add some paragraph here, but take note to remove the triangle. But to remove the triangle, you have to click normal. Okay. Then this is my acknowledgement. Okay. Paragraph, for example. Period. Then this one, you will say abstract here, normal. This is my abstract. Okay. Now, the next thing that we are going to do is you have to set the page number, because based on the example is that your preliminary pages should be numbered into this format. Okay, so we have to continue that, or we have to follow that one. So because here it's in Hindu-Arabic, okay? This one also is in Hindu-Arabic. This one, it's correct because there's no page number for the first page, or for the first page of the document, of the chapter rather. So to do that, not to change, you have to move on, or you have to select any of the page number within that section or within that part of the document. Right click and then page number format, and you select the number format style, and then start at I. Okay, so different first page is checked because you don't want to show the page number on the first page of the document, or on the first page of this section, or basically the page or the cover page. Okay, so it's there. Okay, so you want to change also that it would be in the, okay, it would be in the right. Okay, so it's set. This is correct. 3. It should be 2. And this should be 3. And next should be, okay, should be in, yeah, this is correct, in Hindu-Arabic format. Okay, so this is already set. So if you notice, the page numbering is divided or is partitioned. Instead of continuing to after 3 is should be 4, no, or should be IV, the number goes back to Hindu-Arabic number 1. Okay, so that is all about section break.